As any professional or aspiring architect knows all too well, creating a small-scale model of your design is often the most critical aspect of success. Models of buildings are a way for architects to bring their proposal to life and show clients, teachers, and residents a proposed building in a way that sketches on a piece of paper can never achieve. While those small wooden and plastic model buildings are a ubiquitous and almost cliched component of home design in 2020, there is often a limited understanding of why they are so important for everything we do as architects. With this in mind, here is why making models in architecture matters so much. Perhaps the main reason why architectural models are so important is because they can highlight the feature and utility of a planned structure in a way that a composite sketch or computer-generated image could never do. If you want to demonstrate how the windows of a building will allow light to filter through a space, a model is an ideal way to do so. If you want to be able to highlight all of the proportions of a building, as well as provide a detailed sense of scale, then a physical or digital 3D model is the most reliable means of achieving this. Both physical and digital models allow you to properly situate a project and communicate to stakeholders exactly how it will fit into its environment and serve its primary functions. The most efficient way to assess the importance of building models is to consider them as kind of a demo for potential clients or customers. For example, consider the music industry, where artists and labels regularly produce stripped-back, shorter demo tracks for record companies to listen to in order to persuade them to give the green light to a track for general release. Similarly, a video game developer might release a demo or beta version of a game to assess the general public's appetite for a specific type of content, as well as to collect feedback. Another illustrative example can be found within the finance industry. In order to show prospective day trader the benefits of a certain foreign exchange forex platform, a company often allows users to set up a forex demo account, where they can trade dummy currency on global currency markets to get a detailed feel for the product. All of these purposes illustrate exactly what model buildings achieve within the architecture industry. It is also key to remember that models are just as much for the architect and the firm as they are for external stakeholders and clients. As explained in the Architect's Journal, models are usually a vital part of the creative process. When a designer is putting together a model, it gives them a chance to see their vision in miniature and give them space to consider what could be improved in real time. A model may allow an architect to discover previously unseen flaws or inspire them to take their design to newer and bolder limits. Thanks for watching. Until next time.